Welcome to my video. Today we show you about our easy life. We are living in the small hut, but close to the city as you see. In this video around us are big house. In the morning my friend and I start to make our breakfast. However, I hope everyone enjoy my video.
Thơm hốt không?
Guessed what? Our breakfast? We got some eggs, spring onion, shallots, and chili. Life can be complicated enough, and it's easy to get overloaded and overwhelmed. However, with some careful planning and a bit of thought, we can make it so much easier on. Being honest, I have a busy life and not a lot of spare time on my side. Life is known to have its ups and downs. We go through good times. We go through bad time. And everything is between. What if I told you there are a small thing you could apply to your everyday routine to make life easier? Do you find yourself without enough time in the day? Perhaps you are an overthinker who spends too much energy worrying, or don't dedicate your effort where it's needed the most. There are so many small and large changes you can make every day to make life easier by changing how you juggle your workload, how you run things in the home, and how you think. You can streamline your life and reduce the physical and mental clutter. If you want to see how our life going, please click subscribe to my channel and follow my Facebook page for the next video. Thank you.